Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a landing page on your Shopify website. So first off, let's make a new page first. Once you're on your Shopify admin dashboard here, let's go to online store. And then let's head on over to the pages section. Here, let's add a new page on the right hand side there. And then let's just make this landing page. You can also add a description if you'd like. Save. Once the landing page is created, now we can start customizing it. So let's go on the themes. And then let's select customize. From here, go on the top hand side here, home page, and then let's just search landing page. Great. And from here, you can start customizing your landing page. So for example, maybe I don't want this text to be here. So as you can see here, if I hover over it, it's the page section. So on the left hand side here, on the template, it's the page section. So if I want to delete this per se, I'm just going to press this icon here. And there you go, it'll be gone. But it's not deleted, it's just hidden. So if I want to add a video, for example, maybe just press on this plus button. And then there's a couple pre-made templates you can use, like slideshow, collage, multi-column, multi-row, email signed up, video. I'm going to add video, for example. And it'll be added to the page, just like this. You can edit the header, maybe we reinvent shirts. And then the heading size is like extra large to make it like that. You can also generate text, make it italic, give it a link. You can also, for the video, there's a couple options like Shopify hosted video, or you can embed the video from URL. You can also give it a cover image, video alt text, style, a lot. Let's add one more section. Remember, it's on here, add section. And then let's add a multi-column here. There you go. You can also edit this text however you'd like. But now you get the basic. This is how you make a landing page on Shopify. After that, just customize it to your heart's content.